Welcome to Module 3. This is your introduction to Chapters 4 and 5. Chapter 4 is looking at activity-based costing and lean accounting. Both are going to be extremely important to you in your career, and that's because activity-based costing is one of the smartest ways that we can do to analyze what's going on with our costs. You'll find a number of activity-based things. There's activity-based management, which is the outgrowth of activity-based costing. And activity-based management is the same general idea as activity-based costing because we're looking at things based on what are the activities consumed and how are activities interacting in order to make things work. So activity-based costing is going to give us a better way to allocate overhead, which, as you know, is generally just estimated and applied like peanut butter on a sandwich. We're going to spread it out all over everything. Well, in activity-based costing, we have the ability not to spread it evenly, but to spread it where it's used. So if we have machines that particularly are heavy in their electricity use, we can allocate more of that utilities cost to those machines as overhead. But we'll be a lot more certain about what our costs are thanks to the way we've allocated overhead as well. Lean accounting is something that we'll discuss in terms of both definitions and how it's actually used. How does it work for us? Why does it work for us? Lean accounting is very close to lean manufacturing and lean operations in other areas. So this will serve you well, and I hope that you have a good time going through that. When we get to Chapter 5, we're talking about variance analysis, and that variance analysis comes about because of cost volume profit analysis. And this tells us essentially what is our break-even. This is going to lead into a whole lot of other things, and variance analysis is one of it, but it's not going to be a lot of detail in Chapter 5. What will be a lot of detail is how do we look at cost volume profit analysis, also known as break-even analysis, to work through our costing environments. So I hope you get a lot out of this. There's a lot of material in these chapters, but as you notice, there's a lot of material in all the chapters. It's important for your career that you figure out what's going on with the management side of things, and this will help you do a much better job at it. So until next time, have a good time.